My name is Nataku.
Is this rain that cuts our bodies your doing?
No, it's mine. I am Shugo Asagi.
Don't I know him?
I have mastered all the vagaries of water.
Please come with us. We've been sent to escort you.
Escort me where?
Come with us and find out.
What will you do if I refuse?
I've been given my orders and your refusal plays no part in them.
That's a pity!
Oh, how did I know there'd be complications? You're good, Kamui. However, I'm only just beginning to flex my muscles.
It was not my intention to hurt you, but you left me no choice, as you won't cooperate freely.
Real world. Big deal. Don't forget, if the creator of that power shield's killed, which he could be at any time, drowned for argument's sake, then the power of the shield will be nullified and the full force of the damage will be felt.
Well, that's the theory.
I've seen it with my own eyes. A dragon of the heavens died and its shield crumbled. Let me...
Have a word with Kamui as well. So why don't you two just butt out? Hey, is this a hot... I'm sorry, but you haven't got a monopoly on rain, you know. Yes.
We do not intend to destroy the Earth, and we will not do so. Only man. Man who kills, who hates, who rapes this planet. Why should he continue to exist? What the Earth needs is a period of tranquility.
You may be right. I don't deny it. But my priority is that there are people I love and will protect. And there are those who have labored to raise man to something higher than the beasts. For their sake, I will fight. For their sake, I cannot let you live!